us in terms of individual stocks. So let me go across to Vivek now. He's at the big wall with the top movers and shakers of the day. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much. Like you mentioned, the sea of red actually was a bit of a struggle to see stocks that did quite well. But some stocks did stand out and quite a few laggards that we'll see later on. First on the list, of course, BSE as well as Angel Oil, like you pointed out, the overhang going away and the stocks actually saw quite a bit of a sharp recovery from the day's lowest point. The second stock on the radar was Jubilant Ingrevia. From the broader end of the markets, a large headwind coming in from a global, agri player, and this particular stock ended over 4.5% higher in the session today. The relative pocket of strength in the market today, of course, was the metal pack. Within that, JSW Steel managed to hold its head above water, despite the fact that you actually saw a couple of brokerage upgrades coming in. The stock's still just up 1% or so today. The other stock on the radar was Petronet LNG. Brokerage firm MK went ahead and upgraded the stock. Very sharp rally today, almost 6% higher as far as Petronet was concerned. But now coming to the list of laggards, quite a few laggards. First up, consumer discretionary names. After the very weak quarterly update coming in from Dabur, the entire consumer discretionary pack, look at names like Dabur, GCPL, all of them, Warren Beverages, United Spirits, all of them took quite a bit of a knock today. The other stocks, of course, was the list of stocks that generally tend to decline when crude prices go higher. So all of the OMCs and also the paint companies, so Asian Paints, Berger Paints took quite a bit of a knock. Like you mentioned, Realty stocks, amongst the top laggards today. All of the Realty stocks today, in fact, saw quite a bit of a deep knock. DLF, Godrej Properties amongst the top laggards as far as the F&O space was concerned. And lastly, the BFSI space too, after a while, saw quite a bit of a sharp correction today. So names like HDFC Bank, Axis, Kotak, and even, some of the larger NBFCs, so Shriram Finance, Cholafin, all of them too saw quite a bit of selling pressure. Overall, advanced decline ratios skewed towards the declines in a very large manner.
All right. Well, a lot of red, right, Vivek? Thank you very much for that. Harish Krishnan is with us.